Hi guys, my name is Michelle. I'm a bridal makeup artist. If you're starting new, this is the best store to come and shop at because you have literally everything from A to Z. So for beginners to starters, my favorite for cleansing is always the Bioderma. It's very soft, gentle, easy for the eyes, and for the skin for someone that has skin sensitivities. Second, I always prep with our Amber Louise. Keeps the skin beautifully saturated and hydrated and does not peel underneath makeup. There's also some suggestions too, which hyaluronic acid is a girl's best friend. So we love these. You can pair it with your makeup, pair it with your own skincare. It just feels amazing. Hyaluronic acid is always a yes. Now I'm going to discuss setting. So important how to set your foundation under the eyes. Everyone has different skincare needs, and also everyone has different methods of setting. So these are just my favorite go-tos pro-wise. This one is the Ben 9 neutral set. This works beautifully all over and also catches perspiration. So if you're shooting outside, this is amazing to have, especially for those summer weddings and we have to stay for touch-ups. This is great to have in your kit to just kind of dust over to prevent the makeup from moving along, because it can get a little humid and sweaty. So we want to keep it beautiful and saturated, but it will not dry the skin or make the skin look patchy. Then there's also another pro classic, the RCMA. It's just seamless, goes on beautifully. Use brush, sponge, however you please. So this is another must-have. Then, of course, amazing, we love our beautiful Crayola spray. This one here, I call it Aquanet for the face. It will not, and I just aged myself by saying Aquanet. But this here allows your makeup to stay on all day. And one of my beautiful drag friends said, no, honey, you need to spray this all over because this is what's going to keep it on all day, night, sweat, whatever you want. So it literally does all of that. So don't pass up on the Crayola. It is fabulous. Love you. Now we're going to discuss lashes. These are so controversial because everyone has their preference. Our clients, brides, they all either like to look very dramatic or super natural, and nothing wrong with that because to each their own. So we're going to go from natural to super glam. Ardell, amazing. So these are great to place for just little individuals, put along the lash. It allows the lashes to look a little bit more elevated, a little flirty, but not too much. We want to keep it very natural and chic. So now we're hopping into one of my favorites. These are the Ardell's Naked Lashes. These series are just, when they launched, it was a game changer for everyone, whether you're bridal TV or just you love lashes. So I'm going to go over my favorite ones from natural to most glam, starting with the 420s. The 420s are for that girl that wants natural, but not too much. It just gives a little more definition. Then there's the 421s. The 421s are my favorite for bridal. It just gives that open eye look, a little oomph, but still very elegant. Then we have the 427, which is a little more vampy, not vampy, but more dressed up. So this one here is for that girl that wants more. She wants a natural look, but she wants the lash to really make the look pop. That's that. Then there's also the 424 that has kind of like that nice little wispy end look. Another favorite. And now we want someone that wants lashes, the Kiss Muse. Love this one. This one is the Noblesse. And then there's also the Legacy. That's my two top favorites. But these you can't go wrong with. But when it comes to lashes, you just have to play around and see which one fits you and fits her. Love Cinema Secrets brush cleaner. I love this one particularly because the fresh lemon scent is very easy for everyone. But this here will clean your brushes in mega seconds, and the dry down is slim to none. And you can just go along to your next client if you have a long day ahead of you. But this here, I always suggest because it's just easy, breezy, cleans your brushes, sanitizes them, and keeps your brushes in its beautiful form.